God bless this land of ours. Just be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace and liberty. Plenty be found within our borders. It is that plenty which has been missing all this time. Because when they were fighting for independence, they said we want the people to live so that we can take over power and deal with the three major enemies of our people: ignorance, poverty, and disease. Those are the three common enemies that we want to confront in our country. We want to confront the second enemy called poverty in our country. That's why we are talking about uchumi mashinani. We want to empower our people. But first we say we want to respect the 5 fundamental human rights: the right to life, the right to food, the right to shelter, the right to work, the right to education, and the right to good health. Every child born in our country, irrespective of the socio-economic status of the parents, will get equal opportunity from nursery, primary, secondary, and university education. This is what it is. And that is why I'm saying today, when we get to power, we will convert help into a grant. Help will be a grant, not a loan. Okay? Secondly, we have said we are going to introduce the biggest social protection program on the continent of Africa. Every family which does not have a source of income in our country, because first we are going to create opportunity for everybody. But a family, because of disaster or anything, who do not have a source of income, will get a cash transfer of 6,000 shillings every month. Some of our detractors have been saying, oh, that is propaganda, that is nonsense. When we were in NAC and campaigning in 2002, we said that when we get power, we were going to introduce free primary education. Those ones who opposed us, they said that is utopia, wishful thinking. We told them we were going to introduce free primary education. And when we got into government in 2003, we introduced free primary education. What we are going to do now, we are going to plug all the loopholes which these people have been using to steal public funds. We are going to deal with corruption. We are going to deal squarely with corruption so that money can be made available. And the savings we get from these thieves, we will use first to give grants to help, and secondly to give cash transfer to families. Sawa? Vijana hoye! Vijana hoye! Baba endelea siendelee! Endelea siendelee! Endelea siendelee! Sasa my plea to comrades, I want you to become soldiers of Baba. Soldiers of Baba, wanajeshi wa Baba, na wanajeshi wa Baba mpaka wawe na bunduki na risasi. Bunduki ni kitambulisho, risasi ni kura. Sawa? So that when Baba says, forward march, about turn, fire, fire, comrades fire, fire, comrades fire. Thank you very much. We say that reggae went into halftime Now you are saying, so now I want you to know the leaders who are with me here today. I'm here with the CS Peter Munya. I'm here with the governor of Meru, Honorable Kiraitu Murungi. I'm here with the governor from Kisii, Mr. James Ongwae. I'm here with the 001, Governor Ali Hassan Joho. Niko hapa na gavana wa Laikipia, Mheshimiwa Nderitu Muridhi. Niko hapa na acting governor wa Nairobi from here, Madam Kananu. Niko hapa na deputy governor wa Meru, Mr. Mchuchiri. Niko hapa na deputy governor wa Nyeri, Madam Karugu. Niko hapa na deputy governor wa Laikipia, Bwana Mwaniki. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Profesa Kilemi Miria, Profesa Dr. Pamela Odhiambo. I'm here with Mheshimiwa Mpuru Aburi. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Esther Pasaris. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Kanini Kega, jimbo la Kieni. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Peter Kanari. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Fatuma Gedi kutoka huko upande wa Marsabit. Tuko hapa na Mheshimiwa Gladys Wanga. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Junet Mohamed. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Engineer Nduati. Niko hapa na kijana mwenzenu Senator Aiji Ngugi. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Peter Kenneth. Niko hapa na Mheshimiwa Madam Beatrice Elachi.